Hi everyone, please subscribe this Wikitech channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the further notifications.
What's up buddy, this is Jason from Wikitech. Hi everyone, I hope you all are good and doing great. The thing is guys, finally the wait is over. The Realme launches a new mobile phone in the family. It's called Realme C12. Anyhow guys, let's quickly look into the specs of this mobile phone. Whereas guys, if you're talking about the display, it comes with 6.5 inches mini drop full screen display, and if you look at the screen to body ratio, it comes with 81.7 screen to body ratio, which means guys, we can assume that the bezel was very thin, but keep in mind it comes with mini water drop notch, and also it's IPS LCD display and it's a HD plus display. We can say at a resolution of 720 into 1560 pixels resolution at 270 ppi pixel per inch. Whereas guys, the company is saying that this display comes with a Corning Gorilla Glass, but they did not mention which type of glass, whether it is 3 or whether it is 5. But of course, if you look at the price, in this price category, we can assume it comes with, it's protected with Gorilla Glass 3 production, and whereas at the back side, it comes with plastic body and the frame also plastic. Whereas if you're looking at the platform, it comes with Android 10 out of the box, and also it comes with Realme 1.0 UI, and also guys, it comes with MediaTek Helio G35 processor. The letter G indicates it's a gaming processor which was built with 12 nanometer architecture, and also it comes with octa-core processor guys, and also they use the ARM Cortex A53 cores at a clock speed of 2.3 GHz, and also they use the PowerVR graphics in this mobile phone. So guys, if you're talking about the RAM and storage department, it comes with 3GB RAM with 32GB internal storage. It was going to available in single variant 3GB by 32, and the storage type is eMMC 5.1. Whereas if you look at the back side, it comes with triple camera setup where the primary sensor is 13 megapixel and second camera is 2 megapixel. It's like a black and white photos. It will take the black and white photos with high contrast. It will merge the photo, and after merging the photo, the output will come. So that's why the company uses here 2 megapixel black and white. So another 2 megapixel is for macro. Whereas guys, in camera department, HDR feature was available along with the panorama, and also they added the single LED light, and with the help of the rear camera, we can able to shoot 1080 footage at 30 frames per second. Whereas the front side, the company given have 5 megapixel. Its aperture is f2.0 for wide, and also with the help of the front cam, also you can able to record 1080 at 30 frames per second. Of course, panorama mode was also available in the front facing camera. Whereas guys, it comes with single speaker. Of course, we couldn't expect stereo speaker in this price budget, but anyhow, it comes with single speaker, and also they did not skip the 3.5mm jack, which means the 3.5mm jack was available in this mobile phone, and also they added the Wi-Fi single band only. It can able to connect 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band. If you're talking about the Bluetooth, it can able to connect 5.0 Bluetooth version, and also FM radio was enabled, and USB 2.0 it was coming out of the box along with the GPS. Whereas guys, if you're talking about the sensors of this Realme C12, it comes with fingerprint sensor which was located at the rear side of the mobile phone, along with the accelerometer sensor, proximity sensor, and also compass sensor also working in this mobile phone. So finally, if you're talking about the battery department, it comes with 6000 mAh milliampere battery. So it was a very big 6000 mAh along with the 10 watt fast charge. That's the disappointed thing in the box. They provided 10 watts, but 6000 mAh was really awesome. And also guys, this mobile phone comes with a triple slot, which means you can able to use 2 4G SIMs along with the micro SD card. So if you look at the price, its cost is around 8,999 rupees, which is 1 rupee less than 9,000 rupees, and it was going to available in the Flipkart and the Realme store on 24th of this month 12 PM onwards. So guys, the thing is the specs looks good, decent, awesome, no doubt in that, but the thing is they're giving here 6000 mAh. That was the interesting. It's very massive battery. So, and also they're saying that in the box they was providing 10 watts. So to charge the 6000 mAh, it takes more than 4 hours easily. And also here they highlighted the battery very well, because with this 6000 mAh battery we can able to make phone calls up to 46 hours, and we can able to stream music up to 60 hours, and also we can able to watch 28 hours YouTube videos. So which was the great thing, but the thing is I'm not happy with the charger what they was provided. Even if the battery percentage was just 5% left in the mobile phone, also you can able to make calls nearly 2 hours. So before ending this video, my dear friends, my frank opinion, I have already do the review on this Realme C11, which was comes with the same processor processor, MediaTek Helio G35. At that time, I noticed that the processor was not that much of speed while we were opening the apps. It was lagging. Sometimes I feel very irritated also to use that phone in some situations. So I mean, think once, the processor was not that much of great processor. Multitasking also not great. Of course, that C11 is comes with 2 GB RAM variant, but anyhow, the processor was not good. But whereas this particular model also comes with 3 GB RAM with the same processor G35. So guys, you have to think once. I do not suggest this phone for you. If you are buying this mobile phone for your grandmother or grandparents like that, then you can definitely go. But usually for youth, especially this G35 processor should not be recommended from my side. Anyhow, that's it in this video, guys. If you have any kind of specific question, just let me ask in the comment section. I was very happy to assist you. Thanks a lot for spending your valuable time with me. See you very soon in the next video. Hey, one thing guys, if you this G35 irritate me a lot while using the mobile phone C11. So the same processor uses in the C12 also. So that's why I was saying many times the processor was not that much of great processor, but the specs looks interesting. You know that Realme camera optimization was very good, and also they use the chroma boost technology also. So it was very good experience, but the processor was really disappointed me. So anyhow, if you are ready to buy this mobile phone, just think once about the processor. Anyhow guys, that's it in this video. I hope you have liked this video. Thanks for watching. Take care.